Chug then. Tim, you can't say that to me. Thank you. There's more. It's stuck. Smoke it if you got it. Tunnel vision. I won't confirm or deny that. Pottery though. Yes, Seraphony. Absolute pottery. Beast. Pottery. Pottery of the beasts. Beast ace. Okay, I'm done. There were so many old heads here. 3+ years. Hey, don't be mean to them. Level 7. Guys, stop! This is a problem. I'm from Switzerland. I'm from Ontario, Canada. But my good friend Kickash, his sister's name is Sparkle. Thank you. Do you like flip-flops? No, I don't. I like gladiators. Thank you, guys. That was for Tiny. This is all for Beast. No belly piercing. No. Ace and Tiny are carrying the team. Absolutely. Tunnel. Get sushi. Yes. Can I place an order for sushi while we've got this treasure train happening? Here, we'll keep the tummy out while I order it. She's a badass. Oh, Ghostblade, I wish I could meet her. It's like